Hi guys! In today's video, I am showing you how to manage post visibility in TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, tap on the plus icon, which is on the bottom of the mobile screen for uploading a new video on TikTok. Like I said, I will upload a video and swiping it to the right side, where I can record my video. And just for showing you, I will record the video for a few seconds. And after recording, I will show you how can you manage to post visibility. After recording, tap on this tick icon which is on the bottom right. If you want to add something like effects or text, then do it by yourself. You will see a lot of different options on the right side of the screen, but from me, I will just upload it as it is. So I'm tapping on this next icon which is on the bottom right. Before tapping on the option post, here you can see the option Everyone view this post. Tap on it. And here is the option Everyone. If this option is selected, it means everyone can view the post on TikTok. And here is the option Friends. If you select this option, then your followers will be able to see this post on TikTok. And if you select this, only you, then you will be the only person who will see this post. Without you, no one, even your friends, will not be able to see it. So it's the fundamental way by which you can manage the post visibility on TikTok.